What's up everyone? Happy New Year. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did the super long distressed soft locks. This style has been so popular lately and it's super easy to do and I think anyone can rock them. For this hairstyle you're going to need these soft locks in the inch 36 as well as some scissors, some jam or gel, it doesn't matter, and a crochet needle. So I'm going to be redoing the first part of my hair just because it's been about 2 weeks, and even though these locks look really natural as the time goes on, I just wanted the front to be a little more neater. I basically just parted my hair and did individual box braids with my real hair. It doesn't have to be neat or anything because you're just going to wrap it up anyway. Next, I'm going in with the jam and applying that to the root of my hair to give it a more sleek and defined look to each section. After that, I'm taking the individual lock and I'm finding where the loop is at the very top right there. Right there you go, right there. And you're basically just putting your finger through the loop and you're pulling the hair until about halfway, maybe even a little more, or until it just won't let you unravel it anymore. After that, I am cutting the hair right where it stops unraveling, and you're gonna see me kind of pull the end just a little bit just to give it a more feathered look so it can stay in the lock better. After that, I get my crochet needle, I put it through the individual box braid, which is my real hair. I get the end of the faux lock, the part that we've cut off basically, and then I put it through the crochet needle, pull that through my hair, and then I'll adjust the lock to the length that I want it to be. And I wanted these to be basically to my waist or to my butt. And then after that, I start to wrap the hair. You want to make sure that you really wrap the beginning of the lock so it can be tight around the hair, and it can also make your locks look a little neater. And basically you just keep raveling the hair down the shaft. And once you get towards the end, you want to keep wrapping until you can't wrap anymore. Even if you have a little baby piece, that is how the lock is going to stay in place. To help it lock better, I like to rub my fingers together, kind of like I guess I'm creating friction within the hair, and it just, I don't know, it just helps it stay better. Okay, so to take these out, it can be a little tricky, so I'm going to show you an easier way that I found that has helped me. I find my own hair basically, and I pull it, and then I just cut where the fake hair is and pull, and it should come right out. And this is the finished look. I love how this style looks even after time goes on. I just feel like they become more natural and distressed looking, and I love that look. So I really hope this video was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.